Alright guys, so we're here in Disney Springs and unfortunately they are destroying something, demolishing something. I don't know what it was. It's quite unfortunate because of all the money wasted, but I guess it is what it is. Honestly, this looks so much better in later conditions, like night conditions, afternoon, because then all the lights will glow up here. And just so you guys know, if you're worried about not going to Disney World or anything like that, you can go here in Disney Springs. It's actually pretty free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay $300 just to go here. Now, I get that there's not a lot of rides here, but still, you gotta admit that it's fun to go shopping here. It's fun to gaze around here. No way. How many Marvel action figures do you have?
10?
10? You want to buy more?
I have one set of that.
That looks beautiful. I mean, look at that. The trees. They got the lights on those poles. Even some of the trees as well. Fun fact, these are one of the top 10 worst cars. It's been since 1961, right? Oh yeah. Oh cool, so despite it's considered one of the worst, they just modified it to actually be a hybrid, so it can go underwater or go on ground, so that's cool. This is pretty amazing. Look at the waterfalls. I mean, nothing special, you might say, but the crocodiles is actually pretty authentic. It looks real. Don't put your hand in there. Beautiful building. All right, guys, we made it to the end of Disney Springs. Well, sorta. Well guys, last chance. If we don't get even at least a Baby Yoda shirt, I'm gonna cry. Now I'm gonna get this shirt, although it's medium. Well, I'll get it. $270, sorry. Guys, so we're here in Universal Studios finally, and today it is actually raining outside, and we're here to see like Harry Potter, Transformers, you guessed it, and Despicable Me. This is just wonderful. Alright guys, so the first roller coaster we're gonna ride, Incredible Hulk. It looks pretty scary, doesn't it? You're gonna have to face your fears and then it will be an achievement. But on to the main topic. Well, it's weird how they call it Incredible Hulk, even though this is Universal Studios, so they have some Marvel stuff on here. Alright guys, so this is all Marvel, wow. And I wonder how Universal Studios was able to get like a Marvel theme park here. I mean, it's kind of cool, even though like Marvel's more related to Disney. I mean, I guess they have the rights to do so. Dad, how are you enjoying Universal Studios so far?
Enjoying it.
Yeah, what about you, Mom?
Alright.
Alright, it should be awesome. Hi guys, so I just asked some of the employees in the Marvel part of Universal Studios. They said that Marvel was here before Disney World was. Marvel has more rides in Universal Studios than in Disney World, which is what I found out. It's pretty interesting because Marvel has been here since the 90s actually. Alright guys, so we're in Camp Jurassic and it's a ride, but it's nothing extreme though. Okay, the work they did here is phenomenal. Just look at that. At how much work they put into this. So cool. Oh, found out it's for children. Never mind. Okay. I get that like most of this vlog's just an appreciation of people's work, but it's just something I really like about and something that inspires me personally. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh shoot. Oh cool, we can actually move it around. And I'm filming with one hand. It's hard to film with one hand. Alright, welcome to Hogswade.